In today's video, we're building a simple yet super useful temperature monitoring system using Arduino Uno and an OLED display. Whether you're a beginner or an enthusiast, this project is perfect for getting started with sensors and displays. This kind of system is commonly used in smart homes, greenhouses, weather stations, and even electronics cooling systems, anywhere you need to monitor temperature in real time. It's simple, compact, and very useful. Here are the components you'll need for this project: Arduino Uno, DHT11 temperature humidity sensor module, 0.96-inch OLED display, jumper wires. That's it, just a few basic components. Let's wire everything up as shown in the diagram. Once powered on, the temperature and humidity readings appear on the OLED screen in real time. Here's how it works. The DHT11 sensor reads the surrounding temperature and humidity, and sends the data to the Arduino Uno. The Arduino processes this data and sends it to the OLED display via the I2C communication protocol. And that's it. A fully working temperature monitor using Arduino and OLED. If you enjoyed this project, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy Arduino tutorials and DIY electronics.